Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blows. Last week I had a tractor that I wanted to see if the engine ran, but I didn't have any more lawn tractor batteries. So I stole one out of my other tractors in the shed in the back. I decided that I was going to choose one of these batteries that's been sitting there for a year and a half. In that tractor was a Uplus AGM battery. I brought it out and this is what happened. I'm gonna work on this. I tried charging this battery with two different smart chargers. That battery is dead ski. I took a battery out of a Toro wheel horse in the shed because I haven't used this battery in like a year. Let's see if this battery works. So this battery is actually a AGM battery for a lawn tractor. How about that, huh? This is really good. 250 ccis. So let's test this battery. It's been sitting in that Toro wheel horse for like a year and a half with this battery in it throughout the winter and stuff. Let's see if it's good. Wow, 100% healthy, 100% charged, and it's been sitting there for a year. That's amazing. I'm gonna see if they'll send me some more. So tomorrow when I wake up, we'll put that battery in there. While I was taking the battery out, I figured I could take the battery box and check out the condition of the transmission pulley. Then I'll install this battery and give it a couple cranks. So it's amazing that that battery sat for a year and a half and it still had 100% health and 100% charged. I have that battery currently in the testing lawn tractor and it runs great. And what did I say? Maybe I should contact Uplus and see if they can send me some more batteries for some more lawn tractors that I'm working on. This is my next project. I picked up a free John Deere tractor. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. But look at the condition of this battery. It's trash. And of course, it's completely dead. Uplus just sent me another AGM battery, 360 ccas AGM battery for lawn tractors. Owner's manual, lug nuts, and I love that they all come with a handle. Look at that. There you go. U1 360 Lawn and Garden AGM battery. 12 volt, 26 amp hours, 360 cold cranking amps. Group U1. Top terminals have covers on them, positive, negative. Let's remove this old dead battery and install the new Uplus AGM battery. Comes with these attachment terminal bolts. Just 2 seconds to put on the bolts, cover the positive, and let's give her a try. So if you need a new battery for your lawn tractor or your truck, and know that you're getting the reliability of an AGM battery, one that will probably last over 10 years and multiple recycling charges, get a more stable battery. You're gonna pay a little bit more, but it's absolutely worth it if it'll last you 10 years. if you guys are interested in the Uplus batteries, AGM or otherwise, for your car, your truck, or for lawn and garden, I'll leave a link in the description for all the models. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you small engine product reviews like this one. Have a great day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.